Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java playlist, we'll learn pattern programs from the scratch. This is Java programming, session number 24, pattern 37, increasing number triangle. If you're confident about this session, like this video, subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed with the alphabets part, row characters, sprinting, and then row numbers. In number format, it is printing. Before that, the base for this is symbols we have printed. So after that, we are converted into numbers and then alphabets. Now we are moving on to the increasing pattern type, increasing number triangle. So as usual, go to the template. So these are standard template. First observe the sample input output. First observe the sample input output. If my sample input is 4, 4 lines printing. As usual, same thing. Your I variable depends on n variable. I variable depends on n variable. So I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. Got it? Next, in each and every line, how many times I'm printing? Line number 1 means 1 time, line number 2 means 2 time, line number 3 means 3 time. Same pattern. So j variable depends on n variable. Sorry, j variable depends on which variable? I variable, because it depends on row number or line number. Line number 1 means 1 time it is printing, line number 2 means 2 time. So just give j less than or equal to I. Fine. Next, what I have to print? Last day I have printed I variable, but what's the requirement now? Each and every time you have to start from the beginning. Line number 1 means you have to print 1, line number 2 means 1 2 you are going to print it. Number of times you already provided a condition j less than or equal to I. Depends upon the line number of times of j inner loop is deciding. But the important thing is, what is that this time you are not printing the line number. Each and a time it start from the scratch. Each and a time it start from the scratch in the loop means what is that? J loop, am I right? So this time print the j variable, j variable value. So each and a time, how many time this inner loop is executing, always it will execute from the scratch. So same order the numbers also printed. So I'm executing the current code. Sample input is 7. Look at this output, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it is exactly matching with the our sample input output. So as usual, now I'll explain in the debugging mode. You will get an idea. Clicking the start button, giving the limit number as 4. So what's the current value after this? N value is 4. Now it enter the line number 7. Int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. So what's the I value? 1. N value is 4. So 1 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true or false? Yes, it is true. Now it enter to the line number 8. J equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. J value is 1, I value is also 1. So guarantee that 1 time this loop will be executed. What will print it? The j value. Current j value is what is that? 1. So 1 with space will be printed. You can able to see in the output screen. So next, j value will be incremented. Already what is in the memory? J value is 1. After increment, what is that? 2. So 2 less than or equal to 1, condition is failed. Now the control will be transferred to line number 8 to line number 11. Because of this line number 11, control will be moved on to the from first line to second line. Cursor is now waiting in the second line. You can able to see in the output screen. Now again, control will be transferred to line number 7. Already the I value is 1. After increment, what's the current I value? 2. So 2 less than or equal to n value, what is that? 4. Condition is true. 2 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. So now I enter into the body of the inner loop. So j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. J value is 1, I value is what is that? 2. So 1 less than or equal to 2 means how many times this loop is going to execute? 2 times. 2 times this inner loop will execute. Am I right? So first, what's the j value will be printed? 1 is printed. 1 is printed. See here. 1 with white space is printed. Next day again j value is incremented. 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition is true. So 2 is printed with white space. You can able to see in the output screen. Next, j value incremented 3, 3 less than or equal to I value is 2, condition is fail. Now a control transfer to line number 11. Because of this line number, control will be transferred to the new line, third line. As usual, again, control be transferred to I plus plus. Already I values in the memory is 2. So if I'm incrementing 1, what is that? Current value is 3. So 3 less than or equal to 4 condition is true. Again, as usual, inner for loop will exit from the beginning. J equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to I value is 3. 3 times this loop will execute. So guarantee for that. Now, J value printed first time. What is that? 1. So 1 is printed now with white space. You can able to see the output screen. Next afterwards J value will be incremented. Already it is 1, after increment 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3, condition is true. 2 values printed with white space. You can able to see it here. Next J value will be incremented. Already it is 2. Increment by 1 means 3. So 3 less than or equal to I value is what is that? 3. So condition is true. What's the output now? Line number 9, 3 with white space. 3 with white space is printed. Afterwards, again incrementing the j value. What is that? 4. So 4 less than or equal to 3 means what is that? Condition is fail. Now the control will be transferred from line number 8 to line number 11. See here. Now the control will be transferred to line number 3 to 4. Fourth line cursor is waiting. Already the I value is 3. After increments, what's the I value now? 4. So 4 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true or false? True. Again the inner loop will be executed for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. As usual, start from the beginning. 1 less than or equal to I value is what is that? 4. I value is 4. Can you see in the memory after increment? So 1 less than or equal to 4 means 4 times this loop will be executed. I already provided a detailed explanation, so I am skipping the detailed explanation, telling the abstract level. Telling you in the abstract level, you can able to easily understand. 1 less than or equal to 4. What is that? Condition is true. 4 times what value will be printed? J value 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll check whether it is executed in the same order or not. 1 with white space is printed. J value is incremented. After that 2. So 2 white space will be printed. Again J value is incrementing. What is that? 3 now. 3 white space is printed. After the again last iteration j value is 4. So 4 less than or equal to 4 condition is true. 4 with white space is printed. After j value is 5, 5 less than or equal to 4 means condition is failed. Now the control will transfer to line number 11. So what is that line number 11? New line. So cursor is entered the fifth line with it's waiting here. Line number 5, it's waiting cursor. I value will be now incremented from 4 to 5. So 5 less than or equal to 4 means what is that? Condition is failed. Condition is failed. Hereafter it will not work. So control will be transferred from line number 7 to 13. If you found this session is useful, like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates and share with your friends. Have any questions? Please drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.